Oh boy, looks like it's time to harvest the potatoes. Oh no, it looks like something has already started to harvest the potatoes. Oh shit. Something's gotten into the potatoes. Oh crap. Shit. Uh-oh, this is not good here, people. Something's eating my fucking potatoes. I think it's time to dig these up before anything bad happens to them. Wow, I didn't realize how dark out it got. Hopefully this video might come out a little, sorta, kinda. Potatoes. I am about halfway through this bed. Something's been eating my taters, so, and, you know, frost has been kind of killing them both anyway, so we're gonna continue to harvest our potatoes here. I can use the word harvest here because potatoes are a crop. Get it? Yeah, you get it. And it doesn't sound ridiculous, because potatoes are a crop. Not a herd of animals on it, huh? Where it would be absolutely ridiculous to use the word harvest in that context, because it wouldn't be very accurate. Can't harvest a crop of pigs or fucking cattle, can you? Because they're not crops. No. Wish this GoPro worked better under low light. I don't know how much of this you're seeing. Okay, I had to get the flashlight because I'm still out here doing potatoes, but I'm sure you guys can see that, right? I don't want to hear any idiots on YouTube scaremongering about how we need chemical petroleum fertilizer to grow our food. They are full of fucking shit. They're full of more shit than the stuff I grew the potatoes in that came out of the chicken coop here.